reviewing Tata Consumer Products, one of the beautiful stocks in our experience, been trading Tata Tea, Tata Global, and Tata Consumer for the past 30 years. This stock has given fantastic opportunities time and again. Even in 2020, we have had 4 positions, and all of them gave very good profits. A company in the tea business which had plantations have been given to its employees. Then they took over a lot of international brands, became very popular. Now consolidation between the group has brought in even more bigger brands, and the company is just flying. Let's look at how the company is doing. On the rankings, earnings rank at 67.5, shade below 70. This ranking drop happened in September 20 results. Before that, it was actually strong. Probably due to COVID, it will recover. We can say with confidence because 30 years of experience being with Tata Tea. So far, so good, and it will continue to be the so. Price rank is at 88.4. Fantastic ranking. On the plot for price rank, we can see there is a steep decline, but it is only a 5-point move. It was at 93.4 5 months back. Very slow inching down to 88.8. Even now, it is very highly qualified for being in a buy position. It is given excellent rich rewards to its investors. That is why such a big cup all the people are carrying, the image which we have put here. This drop that Tata Consumers had was because of the consolidation which it had in the last 3-4 months. We will look at that when we go to the charts. Coming to business growth, this company has always been good in its profits. In the last 3 years, sales growth has seen a significant increase. It's like a railway track. Sales is going up, and along with that, the profit is also going up. Margins have been static. Even with the advantage here is with increased business, same margin, profit will be high. That is the beauty. So very good profits, and if this trend continues, the stock will keep going higher and higher. So booming sales, profit is also maintaining the speed. This girl is giving a thumbs up, showing that this stock is very good for investment. Coming to investors, FIIs have sold. We have told about probabilities of making a mistake. That's what happened in this stock. Looks like FIIs were caught on the wrong foot. Having been trading consistently on Tata Consumers, we know that how the stock has performed. Mutual funds have been buying the stock from mid 2019, and they have made fantastic gains from the stock. Also the insurance company along with DIIs, all of them have been participating. Only surprise was the FIIs. Sometimes even the knowledge people can make some mistakes. That's what's happened here in the stock. Coming to the charts, on the left side, blue always, all around, super bullish chart. In 2018, along with the broad market, the stock had a small correction. After that, it took off in a big boom way. Price just overshoot all its levels while there are some challenges. In early 2020, there was a huge drop. This could have been due to COVID. After that, during July, August, this big drop that came in the stock, that actually brought in some pain in the investor's mind. It should not happen. Whenever there is such kind of up and down movements, conviction of investors get lost. That's what has happened in Tata Consumers. Prior to 2020, it had a beautiful trade which closed with very good profits. Due to COVID, it took a hit and immediately it reversed back. That trade also was fantastic. It gave a nearly 40% gain on that. So 2 years of bull market, it's started showing signs of tiredness. This red arrows which we are put here, this steep move that it had on the downside is not good. Similarly, the upside also. When that kind of upside comes, it will continue. Whereas here, when it dropped, that brought in a lot of confusion on the investor's mind. After that, it took a long time to recover. This is where the ranking fell. Now, when the stock reaches 570, it can have challenges. So though the counter is very very strong, it can have some selling pressure. With the kind of move that it has had in the last 2 years, it will have some correction. Post correction, there is again an opportunity. This is a smooth chart and a good stock to trade. You can keep having this on a track list and wait for next opportunities. For those who are having account size to short, you can look for having a short when the stock reaches 570. It's already building up a lot of weakness. As it climbs to 570, it will have a resistance which it might not be able to cross. There one can look at shorting and making money on the downside too. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Even though we have talked so positive about Tata Consumers, we are not giving any buy or sell recommendations. We are only giving inputs which can be an educational input for you to make your decisions. If you want to buy or sell the stock, do your judgment, get to know the risks, and then go on to buy. Thank you.